Absia ubeje di say yesi Ghana mampani jediyam ena anka eye chese kwanhia ya asi a chese defense minister ene ne nkrofo ko gumu no yesi wono nanka woko sa program yi na de ntie absia yesi jediyam anko de eye chese wono no ni nyankopon ko na wo ye den wo mo enim na ene say yesi dwumadie ya chese wo mo yi eye chese mining program ena chese wo mo air launch eye mining company awo mo ye den air launch nti yesi jediyam ena ni din eda bibia so a chese wo jediyam na wo be launch bibia a chese mo aye hyehyeye ene bibia aye den awie na busia so mo awie bibia nka wo se ene de jediyam e ka chese wo mo ko ema wo mo fly akoko no se jediyam sumpo ne ko ya anka wo the presidential jet ena nka be ko anka wo nyusu sa chopa we sa ngosopa private jet we you said helicopter we anka nya no na menyi bi so bere wo de be ko bat abusia all the same no eye jediyam ena nka e wo se wo ye den woko ene se me no ka sei ade anka wo se jediyam woko no yesi asori program bi nso a eye Assemblies of God program a eye ongoing entisa asori program yi na chese ene de JDM e attend to because of say you see penya mesam ade mo ba yi nyame semti wayi da ba ko se kwa ye de abesu nyame instead se obehwe ya nya kom de ye no wayi da de si ho aye de sum nyame nti amanyame so ani ewo ne so abusia se nyame ani wo ne so ene de enanka wo so kopie mu oboase ena wo de kopie mu asori dem ene se wo de kopie mu no wo mo ekọ wo boase no wo mu nyina akohye dwurebe na Ghana fo binum react e de afasa anwanwasem ya jediyam atuni ya na se asi no omo react e de afa ho na yentie enhwe de eko.
You see this crash, President Mahama was supposed to be on this trip. Then at the 11th hour, he decided that he was going for Assemblies of God, program in the central region. That was the reason Mahama was not on this trip. Like Mahama will be on this trip and President Mahama will be in the helicopter. We don't know what could have happened, but if this outcome was the outcome that was supposed to happen, President Mahama could have. So that is why I'm telling you that this is so natural. There's nothing natural about this. For a defense minister to perish in this manner, that means this is a plan thing. You see that the aircraft system was hacked, there's somebody behind it, there was a terrorist who shot it. There could be a lot of things that actually happened for this to happen. But I'm very, very thankful to God that, our president is safe. That is very, very important. See, others are very important too, but for the president, it's more important. And I feel like the NDC, they need to take their spiritual life seriously. Make joke. If they do something, consult. Yeah, they go church, they go mosques, but actually consult and things, go places. Because in the game of politics, it is life and death. This is not natural. This is planned. This is calculated. And I feel like this should be, a clarion call to whoever is in any position that, get out there and work. This can never be natural. The guys at the Ghana Armed Forces need to be, investigated. Heads must rule. The aircraft, who was manning it, were the maintenance due diligence done? We were told that most of our aircraft are not fit for purpose. The presidential jet has been halted, has been grounded. So how much more military jets? What were they thinking that went into? Like, were they checked? Were there some malfunctions that they didn't check? We heard that some illegal miners actually shot at the helicopter. There should be proper investigation. Because across the world, anytime they want to attack the security of any nation, they attack the defense ministry or the defense minister, from Iran to Israel to Pakistan to even the United States of America. This is not something out of the vacuum. This is not a coincidence. This is not a natural occurrence. There's somebody behind it. There's some orchestration. There's some plan, something. And I feel like this was actually targeted at maybe the president. And the president was, by the grace of God, decided to go to the central region for a church program. We could have had a very grim news. It doesn't mean the other lives are not important. Murtala Mohammed or Mani Boama, these are, astute individuals. But see, our security is in jeopardy. Look at our neighboring countries. Look at the Galamsey fight. There could be terrorists actually getting infiltrated or targeting high officials. So if they go for these high officials, you and I, we're in danger. Bro, I'm so devastated. Charlie, life is so fickle, bro.
Abusia na ewo ehonom no de etie no
Patrick kese pa na kabo man no hi do you know say na ka say John Dramani Mahama his excellency na ko say wo ka mo ka helicopter no na ko say wo ka wo ho ebe wo boase no ene wa amba So we flyer no so a omo na nkoso mu grace program no His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Minister for Lands and Natural Resources, Minister Amakofi Bua, and Asante Regional Minister Dr. Frank Amakohene. Omo na nkoso mu grace program no. And John Dramani Mahama I run nampabua and the share Dr. Omane Buama and the say fu vian kotwata. Ukode bia bone omo nyina kan nan omo nyina chijurube to the sense say ye hu mumpo ye hu se we ni because se ne pa hia na kan ndo mpe na onhu se oyoba na be ma onhu te bia mpo because so honam no na ma hu se eyemia eyewe enie ti asap now de body no ma sesa no de je so mo koye DNA ye hu se we hunam ni na acha mabusuafo no. And this is very very sad. Asap now this all hwe me and leave your comment in the comment section. Just type RIP, rest in peace. Now let me remind you for the last time, since me announced from above say videos and pictures in circulate on social media and international, we should stop sharing it. Stop sharing the video.
Beautiful people. So I know most of us might have heard the sudden news. Meaning says every way dear. Dodwana ate. Yes. Indeed, Obia and Dan so who die set Bibi Sabesi and ne Wednesday wukwa day. Make up bibia bedi enemy beye then and you cannot question God. Now this is a strong warning I want to give to the funeral journalist. Me patrol more be sorry and call families ni ho and ye interview. Nobody should wake up and go to the various ministers' houses. Many or more, for when you come there, I'll sack you. No two ways about that. We are serious. This is something that has happened. We say no enya department patrol. More be anko interview be say be all free for your class said day and I ban saying suit ben or share bag ben or tam ye educo full plane junction ben or kojina car ben to don't go there to ask any unnecessary question. Let the families mourn in peace. Mamun koyete said that the lumba any be any keka hono. Munjai sade say bra me ye video you obi atam the cameras ye ready say obeko fie honum akoye interview say bisa say alaji then they see ye minister of defense then they see ye time ben or tam the bag say me patrol munchen and so nobody should go and worry the family members. What you say? This one is not for a trend. Stop that. They left home to feed home and akofa weaba omu kra fifie so omu kobo ejuma omu ko meeting and I say akosie helicopter crash akosi ama chese omashi drebe me patrol mo obi anko interview obi the journalist. I said I'm talking to you, I know what you can do. By now you people are packing. Should I see any of you? You will see mo betse me ba sesi
on their way to Washington to launch cooperative mining initiative. The president is down emotionally. We pray that God will give him the fortitude and the Ghanaian people to accept this tragic loss. Excellency, the Vice President, Professor Genana, is now leading a government delegation to formally, but although with difficulty, go and convey the sad passing of our colleague, Dr. Mahama, Dr. Murtala Mohammed Al-Hadi, So the Vice President has considered a team, one led by Indigenous Government National Chairman, two of them supported by the Army Commander, and the other team will visit the two other families, and the family will visit the Tabrani tomorrow to accept our sympathies and condolences. Very difficult moment for all of us.
Abusia na achire se we ene de etwe gu a eya awrekosam. Yes, mesra say obe subscribe to yen channel yi for updates na yefa wo say ahase